Hi everyone, welcome to the Daily Connoisseur. I'm going to do 5 days of outfits from my 10-item wardrobe, and this is happening during a week when we are renovating our kitchen. Okay, welcome back. As you can see, I have a new phone and a new phone case. By the way, how pretty is this case? So it has glitter. Let's see if you can see this. Can you see that? Isn't that pretty? My girls helped me choose this out. I'll link this case below. But anyway, I have a new phone. So let's record the outfits for the week. I'm only gonna do 5 days. This is just a crazy week because we are renovating our kitchen, okay? I don't know why I'm doing this to myself, but I am gonna show you my outfits. I'm just putting my hair back in a ponytail. I've been doing that a lot lately. The no makeup look on, and I have the Loft lace tee, and underneath I just wear a nude colored camisole. Okay, let's talk about the skirts because some of you were asking, you thought that I had the LL Bean skirts in my 10-item wardrobe, and then I have been saying it was a Land's End skirt. So I meant to clarify that. Because I had the baby, I didn't fit into the LL Bean skirts. I have this one and the light denim skirt. So after my last pregnancy, not my fourth child, my third child, I bought the Land's End skirt as a transition piece because it's larger so that I could wear it. And I kept that in my maternity clothes knowing that I would probably need it again. And I did because the LL Bean skirts did not fit me. When I was planning out my 10-item wardrobe, the LL Bean skirts were still a little bit tight, but I actually tried it on today and it fits. So anyway, I'm going to figure out what to do with that. I will probably add this one and the light one to my summer wardrobe. I might take out the long sleeve dress. We'll see what happens. I'm sure I'll do a video on it. But now this is the LL Bean denim skirt. It pretty much looks identical to the Land's End one. It's just, you know, smaller. I think it's a little bit shorter too. Okay, so this is how I'm wearing it. You could also tuck this in. You know, that's what it would look like. But I actually just I like it hanging, and that's what I'm wearing there. On my feet are the Cork Ease sandals. I'm loving these. I just love them. I think that they are so comfortable, and I just like how neutral they are. Okay, part of the Chic assignment challenge is to wear jewelry that we don't normally wear, but that we have, right? So I want to show you this really pretty bracelet. Ben gave this to me when we were first married, and it's aquamarines. And how pretty is it? And I never wear it. How ridiculous is that, right? So I pulled that out. I mean, I love this bracelet, and I have a fun story about it. I'll tell you at the Chic assignment check-in. So that is what I am wearing today. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Hi everyone. So construction starts today on our kitchen. I can't believe it. I'll probably insert a little video here that I shared on Insta Stories this morning of the before picture. So today is a bit colder actually. It's raining right now, but I think the rain is going to stop. So I'm just wearing the LL Bean floral dress. Sorry, I'm so out of breath. I just ran up here to quickly shoot this video. The LL Bean floral dress. This is a gray cardigan by Bowden in my extras. And then on my feet, I have the Sam Edelman sandals. So this is what I would wear if I was just going out of the house. But I wanted to show you these slippers that I have discovered. So, you know, I love my Land's End kind of wintry slippers. Well, as it gets hotter, I can't wear those. My feet get too hot. So traditionally I wear flip-flops, but the flip-flops are not good for my back, and then my feet always hurt if I wear them all day long. So I found these. They're from Okabashi. Let me show them to you. Here they are. They're from Okabashi, and oh my goodness, they're so cool. They have arch support, they have a grip, they've got like a 2-year warranty. It's like a high quality house slipper. And in fact, these remind me of the house slippers that they wear in Japan when you go there. Let's see here. So they have all different colors, and I'm gonna link them below for you. But Yeah, I got an email about these and I actually requested them. I said I need a chic house slipper for summertime. So I'm gonna show you what they look like on. I got navy because I have so many navy clothes, but I'm actually interested also in getting the tan color. There, I've got lemonade pop on my toes, and actually, funny enough, I've got the peach color on my fingers. So that's what they look like, and they are so comfortable, and they're not like the flip-flops that, you know, just don't stay on my foot, and they don't have any arch support. Let me show you in the mirror here. So anyway, these are just really great slippers, and they're super affordable. I mean, they're really inexpensive, and they last for 2 years. So these are a wonderful option if you've just been wearing kind of cheap house flip-flops like I have. These are really good. I'm gonna link them below, but I have been wearing these, and they tend to go with almost all of my clothes. I got them in navy, but I will probably also get them in the tan color as well. I'm going to insert the little clip about our kitchen before, and don't worry, I'm going to do a whole kitchen video with the big reveal, but I thought it'd be fun to put that in right here. Okay, bye, see you tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. We are going to be renovating our kitchen. You are hearing it on Insta Stories first. So, yep, it's starting today. Long story. I'll tell you about it on the channel at some point. Hi everyone, good morning. It is so early, but today I'm taking the girls to their campus, and we're doing more kitchen renovations. It's crazy. This kitchen renovation is just really, it's something else. But anyway, it's actually cold again. So it rained yesterday even. And this is what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing my Land's End jeans and my London Sole driving shoes. These are no longer available, but I have linked something similar below. Todd's makes a really similar one. A white t-shirt. This one is from Bowden, and I just steamed it. So there is the steamer right there. I'm waiting for it to cool down before I put it away. And then this sweater, I usually wear this during the fall season. I brought it out again because it's cold. So this is like a chunky fall sweater, and this is from Loft. And I love this sweater. It's really great. I love these oversized sweaters. So I just have this kind of look going on because we're also going to the park today. I normally fold both of them, but this is literally just out of the dryer. I've been meaning to tell you about jewelry every day, and I keep forgetting. So I'm wearing the Ana Luisa hoop earrings. I'm going gold today. This is the Ana Luisa bracelet and ring. That's from the last collection. I'm just kind of bringing out all my fall stuff again because it's so cold. So anyway, that is today. Relationship with these jeans, and that's a tricky thing about when you review things on the channel. It's like I review them and I want to tell you about them, and then weeks later I have a lot of experience wearing them. I like them, but like I said, they stretch. So for that reason, I would not choose them again, you know, because they stretch so much. These just came out of the dryer, and they feel really big on me and like stretchy. So I don't know, friends, I might have to update my jeans again. We'll see. Do you want to go have a quick peek at the kitchen? It's funny because I'm shooting a kitchen vlog. This is going to be like a parallel kitchen vlog. Let's go look at it. Hi everyone, good morning. It's the next day, and today I have my hair in a ponytail, and I am wearing the cropped white short sleeve sweater from Bowden. And I love these sweaters. I wish Bowden would bring them back. I keep looking so that I could recommend them to you, and I don't see them. But I try to link something similar below. I'm wearing that on top of the polka dot lens, or what is this? LL Bean dress. And that's it. So for jewelry, I'm just wearing that pretty lapis lazuli necklace from Ana Luisa, and then let's see, of course the gardeners are here, and so I'm sorry for the loud chainsaw noise in the background. That really gorgeous bracelet from Ana Luisa as well. I love this one. So my watch is still I have not taken my watch to get the battery changed, so I need to have Mr. Connoisseur do that because I cannot leave the house. Can any of you moms relate to this? I know that you can. When you have a lot of children and one of them's really young, 2 in car seats, it's so hard to leave the house. I have letters that I have not posted in weeks because I haven't left the house. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry for the gardening noise. But anyway, on my feet right now are just the slippers because I just plan to stay inside. But I'll probably leave at some point today, in which case I'll probably wear my Sam Edelman sandal. So the kitchen is coming along. We are going to continue homeschool. I meant to bring this up the other day, although now's not the time because I have the chainsaw noise in the background from the gardeners, but I'll bring it up another day, never mind. That'll keep you guessing as to what I'm about to say. But anyway, that is it for today, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. I'm doing a video. I just have to share, this is how every day starts, and it's the best way in the world. Yeah. My voice is so cute.
Oh, yes.
We have to go wake up the girls now.
Okay.
Okay. Hi everyone, it is the last day. So today the countertops come in and it's going to be so crazy, and they have to cut the hole for the sink, so there's going to be dust everywhere. So I asked them, you know, what should I do? And they said, just make sure the kids are out of the house. So I'm going to take all the kids and we're going to do homeschool out of the house today. So I'm probably just going to go to my parents' house, but maybe we'll go to the library too. I'm not sure what we're going to do. And that's what we're doing today. So here is my outfit. It's still kind of cold outside. This weather is really weird. So, but it's like also hot. It just is, it's just spring weather. So I'm wearing the I do this every time. I'm wearing the LL Bean dress in olive. I love this dress. And the same sweater coat that I wore, a few days ago, because it's just nice and warm. And then if it gets too hot, I could just take this off and I'll be fine. And then you guessed it, you did guess it. My favorite sandals, the Sam Edelman Nude. I might get another pair of these, by the way, like maybe in something fun like leopard. Who did I see that had these in leopard? Was it Hillary from Old World Home? I think she has some leopard ones and they're so cute. So anyway, that's what I'm wearing. Okay, manicure. So I did my nails last night, and you know me, I'm very conservative with nail polish, okay? Blue scares me. I'm not adventurous at all. But this is like as adventurous as I get. So I did a rose gold and peach manicure. These are the London Town shades. So it's like Peach Please and then Kissed by Rose Gold, I think. Let's see if I can hold. Let's see. This is so weird because the mirror's in front of us. There we go. So anyway, I love it. I think it's really pretty. I find with the Peach Please that one coat looks the best, and it's just kind of sheer and like a watercolor kind of look. And then I just did the rose gold on my ring finger, and yes, I am loving it. I do like that. And then I had painted my toenails in the Peach Please, and I put 2 coats. But I think next time I would just put 1. So one of the chic assignments is to get manicure and pedicure ready. So I've enjoyed doing that. And it's something that, you know, relaxes me, and it's nice. So that's, okay, so there's a better shot of the nails. And so yes, I like it. It's a little different for me, you know, out of my comfort zone. The earrings, these are so pretty. I love them. Okay, let's see if I can get zoomed in on them. But these are from a video that you're probably gonna see tomorrow, the FabFitFun add-ons video. That's just one-off products that you can add to your box if you like them, and they're like heavily discounted. So they sent me almost all of the add-ons to show to you. So if those of you who get the FabFitFun box, you should look at that and say, oh, would this be worth it? Would this not be worth it? I'm going to tell you which ones I would actually like. A quick word about the FabFitFun thing. I just want to say a little tiny story. So, you know, I work with various companies, you know, that sponsor some of my videos, and that's how I honestly do this channel, because they compensate me for my time, but I try to choose good companies. Anyway, so I partner with FabFitFun. I had seen a commercial that they had done and I wasn't pleased with it. I didn't like the commercial, and I emailed the company to tell them this, and they pulled the commercial down. I couldn't believe it. Like, I was just amazed by that. I thought that they would just ignore me or terminate our relationship, which would have been, you know, okay with me too, but they pulled it down. So I thought that is really nice. They have integrity. They're open to a dialogue, and I really like that. So I just wanted to add that in here about that company. And then what was the other thing I wanted to tell you from yesterday? Oh, I got a comment on my last outfit of the day video saying that from somebody who said she liked my books, but basically my life is boring. I'm just a boring American mom. And first of all, any mom can laugh at this. She must not be a mom, because you know that being a mom is not boring. I am never bored, okay? I always have something to do. But I just thought, wow, I mean, that was such a rude comment. That could have been like the rudest comment I've ever gotten on this channel. A boring American mom. But I just want to encourage all you mothers out there, because Mother's Day is coming up, that even though the world does not applaud you and maybe might think that what you're doing is boring, you are doing the most important work in the world. Like, your job is so important, and it's the most important job. And I think most people agree with that too. And it's the hardest job. And it's the job that you don't get paid for. So to that lady, I don't know, she probably stopped watching my videos after she realized I was so boring. But if you're watching today, I just want you to know that moms are not bored, and our lives aren't boring. Yes, I'm not, you know, skiing on the Swiss Alps, and I'm not walking a catwalk in Paris, but you know what? I'm okay with that, because I love my life as a mom. So that is just for that lady who left a comment. Okay, I hope you enjoy this outfit of the week video, and I'm so excited about the kitchen. That kitchen video will be coming out soon. So thanks so much for joining me today on the Daily Connoisseur, and I'll see you next time.